In today's ever-changing job market, it can feel like opportunities are scarce. The traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only path to success, and many people are finding it increasingly difficult to secure stable employment. But what if I told you that you could create your own job? Imagine the freedom and satisfaction of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and pursuing your passions. The first step in creating your own job is to identify a gap in the market. Look around and observe the needs and wants of people that are not being met. What do people need or want that isn't readily available? Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand and potential competition. This could be the foundation of your new career. Once you have identified a gap, think about how you can fill it with your unique skills and talents. Look at your current skills and see how they can be turned into income-generating opportunities. Assess your strengths and consider how they can be applied in new and innovative ways. Freelancing or consulting in your area of expertise is a great start. These options allow you to leverage your existing knowledge and experience while building a client base. A side hustle is a low-risk way to test your ideas. Start small and see how your concept is received by the market. Whether it's e-commerce or content creation, a side hustle can grow into a full-time job. Many successful entrepreneurs began their journeys with a simple side project. Stay competitive by continuously learning new skills and adapting to changes in your industry. The job market is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial. Online courses and certifications can help you stay ahead. Invest in your education and professional development to enhance your qualifications. Networking and collaboration can open doors to new opportunities. Building a strong professional network is essential for success. Join professional groups, attend meetups, and connect with others in your field. These connections can lead to valuable partnerships and collaborations. The rise of remote work and the gig economy offers new opportunities. Embrace the flexibility and freedom that these options provide. Explore platforms that offer flexible, project-based work. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients from around the world. Have a passion for something? Your hobbies and interests can be more than just pastimes. They can be the foundation of a successful business. Many successful businesses started as hobbies. Think about how you can monetize your passion and turn it into a profitable venture. Consider turning your passion into a profitable venture. With dedication and hard work, your hobby can become a thriving business. Digital services are in high demand. The internet has created countless opportunities for entrepreneurs to offer their skills and services online. Whether it's virtual assistants, tutoring, or coaching, offering your expertise online can create new job opportunities. The digital economy is booming, and there is a growing demand for online services. Creating your own job comes with challenges, but resilience and persistence are key. Every entrepreneur faces obstacles, but those who succeed are the ones who persevere. Learn from setbacks and stay committed to your goals. Failure is a natural part of the journey, and each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. In a world where traditional jobs are evolving, creating your own job is an empowering way to take control of your career. You have the power to shape your future and build a career that aligns with your values and passions. Turn challenges into opportunities and build a fulfilling career on your own terms. Embrace the journey and take pride in your accomplishments. Ready to create your own job? Start today. The first step is the most important, and the time to begin is now.